All right, here's a good question. You're asked to simplify this logarithmic expression or write it as a sum or difference of logarithms. So a number of different ways you can do it. A couple rules that I'll use. One of them would be something like this: log base x of x to the fourth. The answer to that is just plain 4. Another one that is, if you're taking the product or the logarithm of a product, you can rewrite that as the logarithm of each of those separately, and then you add the results. Okay, so you can log each of those separately and add the results. Okay, so log base 2 of 48. Lots of different ways you can do that. You could say log base 2. So I'm wanting to express 48 as product of factors. So I guess I could go like 2 times 24. I could do that. And I'm not finished with that yet. I could do log base 2 of 6 times 8. I could also do log base 2 of 16 times 3. Lots of different ways. And there's probably more. 3, I got that, 16, 4, 5, 6, and 8. I guess that's most of them right there. Now, each of these then I could re-express as a sum of logarithms. So I could say log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2 of 24. See how that rule works? But now log base 24, I could re-express that. So it's log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2, 24 could be like 12 times 2. Or it could be 8 times 3. Why don't I use 8 times 3? Okay, so that's equal to log base, oh no, let me just fix that. Log base 2 of 2 is just 1, right? This just comes out to 1 according to this rule. If this is the same as this, then the answer to the whole thing is just whatever that exponent is. So the exponent's 1, so that whole thing is just 1. Plus, okay, let me break that up. So it'd be log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of 3. This one I can't simplify anymore. Neither can I with that. But this I think I can simplify. Let's rewrite it. So it'd be 1 plus log base 2 of, and I chose 8 because 8 is 2 cubed. Okay, plus log base 2 of 3. Okay, what's the value of that? If this and this are the same, the answer is just 3, right? So this would be 1 plus 3 plus log base 2 of 3. Or 1 plus 3 would be 4 plus log base 2 of 3. So that would be how I would simplify that one. Now, you can pick any number you want, but this is probably the fastest way of getting there, is that one right there. Because 16 is a base 2, like it's 2 to the 4th. So I can rewrite this as log base 2 of 16 plus log base 2 of 3. And then log base 2 of 16 is the same as log base 2 of 2 to the 4th. Right, 2 to the 4th, yeah. Plus log base 2 of 3. And then, according to that rule up top there, if 2 and 2 are the same, the answer to that is just 4. So it's 4 plus log base 2 of 3. And notice that's the same answer I got there. So it doesn't matter how you go, as long as you simplify it completely, you should get the same answer.